Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. To those who are watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Manisha. I create videos related to makeup and fashion. So if you are interested in watching such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Also please hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So today's video is going to be very exciting. I am personally very excited for today's video because we are going to create a very nice, soft, romantic makeup look. So without further ado, let's get started. To prep my skin, I'm going to use Cetaphil moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. And for lips, I'm going to use Innisfree lip balm in Wild Hibiscus. Next, I'm taking this primer which is from Makeover Professional. It is silicone paste primer. I am applying it on my T-zone. And then I'm taking this color corrector from Key Beauty. It is in shade Peach. I am applying it under my eye area, which is slightly darker than the rest of my face. I will also apply it on my eyelids. For foundation, today I'm using Nykaa Skin Genius foundation in shade 03 Warm Sand. I am applying it with my finger and then I will blend it with damp sponge. For concealer, I'm using my usual Fit Me concealer in shade 10 Light, applying it under eye area and then will blend it with damp sponge. I'm going to repeat the same procedure on my other eye. Make sure to give some time and blend everything very nicely. Also applying the same concealer on my T-zone as well as on my chin. Now to set my under eye area, I am using this compact powder from Fit Me in shade 220 Natural Beige. Now with the help of the spoolie, I am combing my brows. As you can see, I am combing it downwards so that I can see all the gaps. Now with the help of this pencil, I am going to fill all the gaps. Be very light hand while filling your brows to achieve those naturally beautiful bushy brows. Once you're done filling your brows, use that same spoolie and brush it thoroughly to set it. For eyeshadow, I am taking this palette from Revolution which is Velvet Rose, and I'm going to take the lightest shade as my transition color. Now I am taking the slightly darker shade and applying it on the outer corner of my eye. Here I am trying to achieve very soft smoky eye look. Now I am going to take that brown shade and applying it on the outer corner of my eye to intensify that smokiness. And then I'm taking this golden shade and applying it on the center of my lid and taking it all the way to the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm taking that same fluffy brush and blending everything out to cancel out any harsh lines. Now I'm taking that champagne shade and applying it on the inner corner of my eye. Now with the help of that smaller brush, I am taking that brown color and applying only on the outer corner of my eye, and taking the lighter shade now and applying it on the center of my eyelash. Do not want to take it all the way to the inner corner because it will make your eye look even smaller. For liner, I'm using this colossal liner from Maybelline in black and making a small wing. Now I will go ahead and apply my falsies off camera. And now for kajal, I am using this kajal pencil from Color Bar to tightline my upper lash. Next, I am using this matte blush from Key Beauty in shade Sugar Candy. I am applying it on the apples of my cheeks. I am going to take it all the way to my temples. Also, I will apply it on my nose as well as chin. For highlighter, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in shade Molten Rose Gold. I'm applying it on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose. I'm going to make an exclamation mark there. You do not want to make a straight line. Also, I'm going to highlight my cupid bow and little bit on my chin. Next, I'm using this Wadi lip balm. It has a slight red tint in it. I'm going to apply a lipstick from Nykaa. It is shade Maharani. I am just applying it on the inner corner of my lips and then blending it with the help of my finger. I'm going to apply it one more time. We want to achieve that ombre lips look, so that's why you just want to apply it on the inner part of your lip. Lastly, I'm using the same highlighter to highlight my brow bone with the help of that precise brush, and here we have the complete look. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you next time. Bye bye.